As far as I know, I think this is the first of its kind in the university and very well thought of to have in the university, because as we know that as per the new education policy 2020, there have to be the collaborative programs, whether it's with medical fraternity, whether it's with engineering fraternity or any other collaborative institutions. And very true, our doctors are the lifeline of our society, and as a premier academic institute, it's very important for us to address the issues of medical. And I think this particular one is very important, especially I refer to the youth. At the end, I think we have to give a thought to it and move on with this type of a mission in our society, and let's see where we reach. I feel that today it's a preliminary sort of a discussion, preliminary sort of a program. We need to move on.
This particular cause is not only very close to my heart, but also a very important cause for the our state in general. Almost about 6 to 7 lakh odd people across the country are, anytime waiting for a kidney transplant. A similar number is looking for a liver transplant. Very significant number of people are looking for eye transplants. And while we have such a huge donor population available in the country, but because of the certain legal provisions that we are having, and also because of superstition and religious issues, we have not been able to evolve towards this direction. Almost 20-30 odd countries where the concept is of opting in, where you have to specifically take the effort of approaching a good organization like under the NOTO, ROTO and the other organizations which have been created. And this organization, you have to actually opt for organ donation. We must ensure not only you are religious leaders also, but also from various religious preachers. When they interpret religions, it should be done in a favorable way so that it favors the society. So this is a very, very important cause, and I think all the students here and the entire University of Kashmir and the broader forum which is here, we must educate people that they should opt out use the opt-out option. And if at the government level, I believe that we should also follow suit for those countries which have giving this default option. Just because of this default option, the countries which are having the opt-out option, the percentage of donation per million is above 50, while in our country it is less than 1 per million, which is an extremely low number. This will translate into a lot of improvement in life expectancy. Organ donation is one part. Second is the other second part, the tissue donation, and there also a lot of inroads have happened. So I think we not only need to beef up the legal legislative system, but also change the mindset of people. Secondly, for organ donation, there are a lot of other infrastructural issues that we lack. But the very fact that we are sitting in this August gathering, and Worthy Vice Chancellor of the university and the head of this department and Director Skims and the Registrar Sahab, we are discussing about this matter, means that we are sensitive. And I think this cause will go to a great level. And I am very happy that the Science and Technology Council of the state has been associated with such a noble cause. And for this, if we have to prepare any awareness videos, or if we have to reach out to a large number of people, and if we have to go to all the accredited the colleges under the university, I am sure this is also equally important cause as was the cause of breast cancer. And I think complete support of the government of J&K is committed to this cause.
Every day, around 80,000 brain dead patients lying in the ICUs of the country. And this one brain dead patient, because of cerebrovascular accident or road traffic accident or the other problems, is not going to live. He is on ventilator only. He is a vegetative life. And this person can save 8 to 9 lives. This message has to be carried to the people, and the aim of these awareness programs is to basically make the community aware. And I'm thankful to the organizers for providing us, inviting us to this place, and in the future you will be seeing more and more such programs. And JKSTIC Institute of Medical Sciences has always taken a lead in that, and we will be doing it again and again, and with the able administrator, Dr. Parvez, who has always been at our back. And I wish the only unfulfilled agenda at this point of time is that the deceased donor program in Jammu and Kashmir.
We made a landmark achievement July 21st, 2017, when corneal transplant in SMHS hospital was started. Being new to the subject, we hired Professor Rajesh Sinha from All India Institute of Medical Sciences and Professor Atul Kumar, who was the head of the RT Center, was quite magnanimous with all support. It was not only the human resources had to be tackled, the equipment, the transplant corneas that we transplanted from different parts of the country. We managed our corneas from Gujarat and then from the Nagpur island. But it was a hilarious task, transporting them to Delhi, then storing them overnight at Delhi, and then transporting them to Srinagar and then transplanting them the same day. So it would take one night for the transplant, and as a result, that many of the corneas were not healthy.
Cadaver organ donation or disease organ donation, unless you people understand what it is and the initiative comes from society. Of course, there are loopholes on our side, on the healthcare sector. There, as Sir told, there are infrastructural problems, trade manpower is not there. We are trying to fill those gaps. But most importantly, if the society at large does not realize the importance of this brainstem death, this program will not take off. And I request you, in the end, don't bury or burn these organs. Just pledge your organs before you die, so that you can give a piece of life for somebody who needs it, and your organs thereby will live forever.
इस प्रोग्राम का बेसिक मकसद ये है कि हम अवेयरनेस लाना चाहते हैं लोगों में, जनरल मासेस में, स्टूडेंट्स में, कि ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांटेशन के बारे में। जैसे हम देखते हैं कि ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांटेशन जो है, अगर किसी आदमी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, हम उस आदमी का एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद इसके जो ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो सारे अलाइव होते हैं, हम उनको यूटिलाइज़ कर सकते हैं, हम उन ऑर्गन्स को ट्रांसप्लांट कर सकते हैं। लेकिन हमारा क्या है, बदकिस्मती से अवेयरनेस नहीं है। अवेयरनेस अगर होती तो ये किस तरह से ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट कर सकते हैं और कितना ज़रूरी है आजकल के दुनिया में ये इन चीज़ों का, इसकी अवेयरनेस हम स्टूडेंट्स में देना चाहते हैं, जनरल मासेस में देना चाहते हैं। और हमने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है यहाँ पे कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी में, और ये हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी जाएंगे। आज आपने देखा होगा कि मेडिकल कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल्स आए थे, स्किम्स के डायरेक्टर परवेज साहब आए थे, मिस्टर सौरभ भगत जी आए थे, कमिश्नर सेक्रेटरी साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, और भी बड़े मतलब जो नेफ्रोलॉजिस्ट हैं, यूरोलॉजिस्ट थे, यहाँ पर मौजूद थे इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में। तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस एक्चुअली इसका बेसिक मकसद था जस्ट अवेयरनेस, टू मेक पीपल अवेयर अबाउट द ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट।